Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to Profit Ada. So today we are going to build an Android PDF extractor mobile app in Python. Okay. So earlier I have installed Kiwi and we have done the basic app. Okay. So you can watch the video or you can visit www.profitadaweb.com. So with the code, the video is available. Okay, so please do check. Now what happens, I will utilize this Kiwi. Okay, for the PDF, the text extractor, I've already done a video where you can get the PDF and with the help of Streamlit, you can run this stuff and can do the extraction of test and do the sentiment analysis. Okay, so as of right now I think I've been already done the sentiment analysis part. Okay, so if I say as a PDF extract, I will get a post in my website. So in that I've been explained how you can do the sentiment analysis part. So I have been utilizing PDF miner. Here I'm going to utilize PyPDF2 and it is a great deal. Okay, so all you have to do open the CMD. Okay, and just say pip install PyPDF2. Okay, so PyPDF is also there, but I think it is while the extraction, if you are doing a number of pages, so I think it is a great deal. Okay, so go with the PyPDF2. So in 2 or 3 PDF versions are there: PyMu PyPDF2 and PDF Miner. Okay, works the best. Okay, so how, if you go with an application, say if you want to specialize certain things, okay, so you definitely required 1 or 2 libraries with it, because some of the functionalities available in one module and some will be in another. Okay, so if you don't want to code functions or certain things, okay, just install library and get things according to it. Okay, so I must say that after this installation, what happens, will first part, I mean especially I will create an app. So for that reason I need to get with the PDF, I need to extract, and then originally I need to display in my mobile app. Okay, so this is the different part from what we are doing as a stock market analysis retention trades app. Okay, so it is different. It's just a basic I'm giving as a GUI, and this can be utilized in your desktop application as well. So originally what we are doing, it is in Py only. Okay, but this things, what happens, .py can be converted to .apk. Okay, so this is what needs to be done, and some other things video will be in a series. Okay, especially this PDF, say suppose if you are unable to deal some of the PDF, okay, you need some abstraction, and then originally you need to create some content from it, and then you want to save it in a PDF. Okay, so that is the best deal. So that's the reason you need to extract PDF. Okay, and especially what happens, say as of right now, earlier what we had done, PDF miner we have utilized. The same thing what happens with the PDF as well. Okay, so many other platform, other resources and sources, you will get PDF. Okay, especially if you go with as this part, this extract PDF text I've been already shown to you, getting into the NSE option chain, and while extracting the data, okay, some of the data have been tried to extract, but it doesn't happen because there were image were there. Okay, so image extraction is different part, PDF text extraction is different part. Okay, so mix up, you can deal with these things. Okay, so you can analyze by your, so all the analysis part begins when you exactly extract those stuff from a part, and then you bring it in Python and do it with the machine learning modules, okay, such as NLP. So NLP part is also have been done. Okay, and it is more than 8 years around I have done this part, so you can check it out. It is a machine learning part. Okay, and the trading part is also have been done, and even the Google Translate such as text to speech is also there. Okay, so in originally this part of things is for the other, like financial sentiment analysis, or say any kind of a blog analysis. Okay, so all of the things will be helpful. Okay, so I must say you should try to, like get this part, okay, this core part, and then it's up to you how you want to utilize. Okay, so let's go with these things. Okay, first of all, we'll deal with the PyPDF2. So I will show you the PDF extraction. So I already have a PDF file which has PML, which is Python machine learning. So what I have done, I have, like have some text with the code. Okay, this is what I'm creating an app for my Android app. I need, like from PDF need to be viewed, and and other part also will be integrated. Okay, so for that reason, this PDF text extraction will help a lot. Okay, so what you can do, you just import the PyPDF2. Okay, so you need to check the running part as well, whether the module is installed or not. Okay, so I think we are good to go. Now what happens, we will define a module. We'll say extract underscore text from PDF. Okay, simple as it is. Okay, and here we will give a path. Okay, now in this secondary, what happens, I will make easy for you. Say you know how to deal with the CSV files. Okay, so it is simple as it is. So with open, your PDF path will be there, and for PDF path you need to read, okay, as file. And the next, what happens, you after this the great deal appears. Okay, so you have to call a PDF reader, PyPDF2 with a PDF reader. Okay, so if you try with other things, it will be like give a warning. So it's better. So what I'm saying, that I got a reader, okay, in which I have to mention as a PyPDF2, okay, dot PDF reader, and the file whichever I got, I need to read. Okay, so file will be there. And one more, since we are storing in a text, okay, that's need to be written. So in a single command, whichever you're getting, that's need to be put in this variable. Okay, so if the function is done, if I am reading this file, the next what happens, I have to give the what are the pages are there. Okay, so pages in the sense, reader is definitely I have to give the length. So from the length means I will give a for loop. So reader dot pages, so I will get here the length of that one, and then I will put a for loop as page underscore num in a range of num underscore pages. Okay, so this is how I'm going with it. And next, what happens when I'm getting with with the range whatever I got. Okay, so I need to extract. Okay, I need to call as whatever I got. Okay, so basically I can, as I say, page equals, okay, reader dot pages, and whichever I'm reading, that should be as a x value. One by one I have to get this the reader in dot pages. So this is one of the function. Now, so suppose if I am dealing with these things, okay, I need to put this as in text plus equals, in which I have to say page dot, okay, extract underscore text parentheses. So this is what I'm doing. Okay, so whatever we got page, that should be like extracted. Okay, and it is simple. I just have to return the text whatever I got. That's it. Okay, now what happens, I will try to give this path, and I will just print and check that everything is going great or not. Okay, so just have to say, and here I just have to give my the path of the PDF. See, it will be pml.pdf. That's it. Okay, let's run and check. So this is what we got. So especially I think everything is printed. Okay, so as you can see, all of my files, all of my PDF, like from the machine learning part as an introductions and the code. Okay, so everything is there. Okay, so this is originally whatever the PML is there, it is got extracted. Okay, so we are done. Right now what we're gonna do, whatever we have extracted, that text we need to view. Okay, so what we can say class PDF, okay, text viewer app, in which I have to say as an app only. Okay, so first of all I just write each and everything and then try to call the library. Okay, so what are the things are required? So suppose if I am mentioning as a layout, okay, what we have to give, box layout, okay, where I have to mention the orientation, which will be vertical. Okay, okay, so here box layout is done. Now say suppose what happens, a scroll view is required, so all we have to say is scroll view, in which scroll view what happens, I need to call that module. Okay, and next what I have to do is I have to input some text. So in text input what happens, I have to call as a text input, in which I have to give it each and everything. So our text, what we have, text equals extract text from PDF path should be there. So we already know that we got a path that is pml.pdf. Okay, so this is what needs to be done. Okay, and next what happens, the layout which I'm talking about, say scroll, I have to put this each and everything as I have to mention the height. Okay, so first of all I'll give the size int, okay, which will be none. Okay, the next what happens, I have to give a height which I can say as a 2000. Okay, and the next what we can put that read only. Okay, because I need to read, so I will make it them as a true. So we are done here. Underscore input is also done. Then I need to call them in a widget. Okay, so what happens is scroll underscore view is there now, so in which I have to add a widget. Okay, so which is nothing but a text underscore input. Okay, now whatever say layout I got now, in which I have to add, so this is like one by one references widget. In this what happens, the scroll underscore view should be there. Okay, so that is the reason I have to say as a scroll. So like a hierarchy, we should build this stuff. Okay, and in the end we need to call the layout. Okay, so I believe everything is good here. and just need to call this stuff. Now extraction of text can be different expectation as well. Okay, so some of like mobile app is there, and you got a PDF. What happens if you get with an app, okay, sometimes it is free of cost and sometimes they charge. Okay, so it's better if you build this, it is there won't be any charges. Okay, especially for other stuff also can be utilized. Okay, you just got the text and do some summarization or just do some decorations. Okay, put it some image or other stuff. We have to say by name. Okay, so if name equals main, I should get the PDF text viewer app, and this should I will run them. Okay, so simple as it is. Now all I have to do is add the library from kiwi.ux dot first of all I have to import the app, so kiwi.app import app. Okay, so in this one more stuff is there. You need to define as a bill and you need to call the self. Okay, so it is easy to recognize if you are calling within the required stuff. Okay, so it's better to do it in this way. Okay, so you need to define the module in a class. Okay, so that's need to be done. So import app will be this way, and the next we will go with the box layout will be from kiwi.ux import. Okay, this you have to mention is what you are importing, so I am importing the box layout, and you just have to mention them in a capital letter, so that will be box layout. Okay, so at least 5 modules I need to import. So after this box layout, what we required, we have to talk about the label. Okay, and the next thing we have to talk about the text input, and then in the end we need to scroll view. Okay, so after this box layout I need to say the label, which will like import label itself, and the next thing which we need to talk is the part, the text underscore input. Okay, the text input this way. So import text input, so starting of the letter should be capital, and the next whichever you are giving as an input as an I should be capital, as in if you are mentioning as a box layout, so capital B, and then after layout means capital L. So this is how you need to go. In this scroll view, same scroll view with we are importing this scroll view. So I believe everything is perfect. If I'm not making any mistake, I will get what is required. So let's run this stuff. Ta-da! So we got it. Okay, so somewhere it is I'm getting error, so I thought maybe I'm so the model which it is telling me maybe I've done some mistake. Okay, so I will check it in the console box. It is telling me that I have not defined, so maybe some spelling mistake. Okay, let's check this. So it's not double P as in this. Okay, this time for sure. Okay, so one more error, and what is that? Okay, here extract. So I didn't look the monitor at the time. Extract text from PDF. Okay, so that is the module, not the other way. Okay, great. So this is what, and we can check whichever you want. So this is the basic model. Okay, this is the basic Android app which you can check for, and if you want other stuff, you just try to add the input as you're looking for. Try to check. Okay, thanks for watching. If you have any doubt regarding this video, please do comment below. If you have any other queries or requirements, please do contact me direct by WhatsApp. Thank you.